I was so close to doing that properly, but I didn't. Uh, that's fine. We're going to get back on the grind. Hold on. Let me here. I'll get some music, but let me set this up. Okay, so I also realized that the title is wrong. So I fixed it. Hopefully it shouldn't say 65 anymore. And there we go. All right. Now we're on to let's see. Okay, I believe. All right, let's take a look here. All right, I just reviewed mean value theory real quick. Mean value theorem, whatever. Okay, let's get our setup back up. Okay, hold on. Okay, apologies. Had to go do something, but now I'm, shoot. Now I'm back. What the freak was I talking about? Which, of course, I wouldn't. Alright. This looks about the right size. Let's get to work. Alright, so the mean value theorem states that the instantaneous rate of change at C equals the average rate of change between sorry, I used the default one, between f of A and f of B, or in this case h of 11, h of 3. Right, so we'll plug in our value here. Okay, I'm thinking of this properly. Let's just plug these in our head. It's going to be 44 minus 8. What's 44 minus 8? 36. Minus, what's 12 minus 8? 4 over 8. So this is going to equal 6 minus 2 over 8, which equals 1/4. Half. So now what we'll do is we'll take the derivative of our function. It's going to be 1/2 4x minus 8 to the negative 1/2 times 4, right? And we're going to plug in, because we know our derivative, actually, we're not going to plug in because we're going to solve for it, because we know that the derivative of this equals 1/2, so we need to solve for x. First, we'll get rid of these. So it just becomes 1 over 4x minus 8, and then we'll also divide by 4, equals 1/4. So then what we can do is, you can basically multiply both sides. So we're just going to get 4x minus 8 equals 4. Move the 8 over, 4x equals 12, x equals 3. Or C. No, it does not. Freak. Shoot. Did I do this correctly? 44 minus 8 is 36. 12 minus 8 is 4. And then 11 minus 3 is 8. VWV. Okay, no. That's not. VTuber requires that a camera be pointed at my face and tracks my moves. I'm simply, in the words of Sonic the Hedgehog, animated. Or was it Mario? I don't remember. Okay, but where the freak did I go wrong? Times 2. Ah, that's where I went wrong. You have to square both sides. Hey guys. Look, good excuse. Okay, you know what? I've had it up to here, alright? I've tolerated the disrespect up to now. Okay, x equals 6 actually. Boom. They talking to each other. They having a conversation. Actually, I went out today. I hung out with some friends. It was really nice. Yeah, someone tell me how Coke Crazy's doing. This DarkKnight guy seems to be good at math. Thanks, I appreciate the sentiment. Let's see. It's going to be -8 plus 48 plus or minus. Is that 72? And then that's all going to be all minus. I have to plug in friggin' -8 in. I'm not doing that. I'm getting a calculator out. Okay, let me write down the function. I also need to derive it anyway, so I might as well write it now. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, actually, what I can do... Yeah, I'll just plot this equation, I'll just get the point. Yeah, he's alright. Thanks, man. You know, that moderator looks really good. It would be a shame if it suddenly disappeared, you know. It would be a shame. How about you, yeah, make a table. What the freak? Oh, okay, that's more reasonable. So, it's going to equal GC equals -32. Since it's a minus, it's actually plus 32. That's 0! The average rate of change is 0? Okay, so that means... this equals 0. Okay, let's see here. Mecha Chameleon. I don't own it. I'm sorry. Does anyone in my Steam family own it? Someone in my Steam family does own it. Who owns it? Okay, only one person in my Steam family owns it. I was thinking, I might need to, Okay, so if you don't know what it is, Ninja Star, the first step is to become chronically addicted to Instagram. And then I'll just show you here. The best, okay, I wouldn't call it the best, but it is a good indie game. Also, my internet is 2. Yeah, it's basically hide and seek. See? Alright, and then your job is just to paint yourself and be like, hide very conspicuously. No, because I have a life. I have a life. I have a life. That's what you sound like right now. Me pointing my finger. One of the games that I'm really eyeing at is Replicube. It's basically, it's like painting, but you have to code. Right? And then see, then it paints it for you. And then so what you have to do is you have to figure it out. And then so I think that'd be something really fun to try. I also kind of want Puyo Puyo Tetris, but that's I have it on my 3DS, so we should be seen play. No math. Okay, actually, I'm a little busy right now. I'm doing math. I got a placement exam coming up, so you gotta at least let me finish. I could VC, right? But you gotta at least let me finish this unit. You ain't even doing math. Well, because you're distracting me. I blame you. I blame you, Ninja Star. Okay, that's plus, right? Okay, so x either equals -6 or -2. And since it needs to be on this, well, I guess out of these it's -6. Exactly. Okay, guys, stop. You know exactly what you're doing, all right? You're trying to incriminate me, all right? And it's not gonna work. You know, if you, okay, I'll show you. If you watch my previous, oh, whoa, Inception. Wait, hold on, watch this. Whoa, whoa, look, we're entering the Matrix. But basically, let's look at my day 2. You'll notice it's a little long, right? And that's because when I finished, right, I finished my work, then I took a nice break for myself, okay? That's really stretched. But basically, if you let me finish, then I will happily take a break, okay? So just let me finish. It's totally great. I rebranded. Break time now. No, stop it. We're already friends, dog. I'm putting you guys in a VC together. Oh, I didn't put myself in there. Oops. There. Okay. He's talking to me, stupid. You guys are so mean. No need to incriminate yourselves. Let me finish my work. 10, 50, 49, 7 minus 2 over 9, which equals 5 over 9, right? So now we'll take the derivative of this equation. We can divide both sides by 5 and multiply both sides by 2. So we'll get 1 over root 5x minus 1, which equals 2 over 9. We can multiply this, so it'll be 9 over 2 equals root 5x minus 1. We'll square both sides. So this equals 81 over 4 equals 5x minus 1. What the freak? It's 4.25 on your life. You know, someone was talking like that yesterday, and they lost. Okay, let's see. So minus 1 would, or plus 1. So we add 5, or we add 4. And then we divide that by 5. So 85 divided by 5 is 17. Hey, would you look at that? You're right. Proud of you. Congratulations, you were correct. If I feel active enough, I might... It's not a VTuber, but I might turn my camera back on. So... My bad. Alright. Just had to clarify. Ninja Star already forgot who Aimless was. This is a shame. It's only been 4 years. I'm gonna eat some kimbap. Mm. 8 minus 32. I think it's negative 24. Negative 64 plus 64. Am I doing that right? Yeah, I am. Yeah. We can divide everything by 2. So it'll be... Actually, we can divide everything by 6. So, because it'll be 24 over 6. Negative 4. I was studying calc because I got placement exams and I want to do well. I got a 5 on the AP exam, so I better freaking get credit for that class, okay? I'm studying to ensure I get the credit. X could equal negative 2. Thank you for seeing. Guys, it's not my alter ego. It's not my alter ego. I don't have dissociative identity disorder, alright? I'm not bipolar. That's not what bipolar means. if it's continuous, oh yeah, that doesn't necessarily mean it's differentiable. It'll be 1/2. Yeah. So we can say, but we don't know if it's differentiable because you didn't tell us. I'm gonna eat this. You guys can't see what I'm eating. Let's check if that's true. I say your justification is correct. Stupid. Oh, you have to. Okay, so you have to say both parts. Whatever. Didn't establish differentiability, therefore continuity. Alright. Someone is speeding outside. That's not cool. Ow. I'm pretty sure this is differentiable on that interval. Yeah, alright. We straight up learning right now. Is this Party Island? Or the board game? Yeah. I have bad memories with this game. I'm also just playing against my friends and us. I feel like we just did this one. Oh, 36. Alright. Alright, I'll play your game. I just have to figure out one. 18. See if I can figure this out because it's going to be 4, 4. We'll divide both sides by 3. We'll take the root of both sides. And I must have done something wrong here because this is definitely not the answer. Who the frick said it was 8? What idiot would say that? It's 27. X equals 2. What? Oh. Are we sure? I'm thinking about it. K equal 1. Thank you. I will indeed. Okay, guys, what are we talking about? Get off the Discord. Lock in. Do you guys like this groovy music? Do I have it on extend mode? I feel like it's on. No, I don't. It just happens to be that long. I feel like I did this one. Okay, so plus 12. That's 93 over 12. Okay. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What says I got 80%? It's the unit testing. All right. Just so you know, this is a stupid number. It's going to be 1. Negative 1. You're right. That just equals 1. If you were going to try to make me believe for a second that the answer is not this, then you're a fool. Actually, I'm the fool because you're supposed to derive it first. But really, for this one, we only have to look at the bottom. So still just this. There's more. Oh, because it's when it equals 0. Well, it's this also, but it would also equal 0. Let's see, negative 2 minus negative 4, no. Or minus 6, yeah, no. Or, well, yeah, okay, yeah. So then that'll be negative 1, or 6 minus 6. Explain. I see how it is. I'm gonna take a quick stretch break. I'll be back. Why would you do that? Okie dokie. I will be back soon. may have had a tiny errand. Oopsies. Okay, but we're back. It's gone for so long the thing fell asleep. But we're back now. Just ignore that most of this wasn't, you know, just empty, not doing anything. Okay. I don't think there's any critical points. Yeah. Alright. We'll take the derivative, which is just going to, it's going to be, as we can say, so what we can do is we can do I believe there are no critical points, but explain. I forgot to get rid of the inside. That's an oopsies on my end. Cannot be 3. I don't freaking really don't want to do the derivative, but whatever. Okay. Let's see. Let's try to simplify this. Let's say we made this 0. That would be -3, 1, right? Because this would be 1. Or -3, 2, minus 1. So that doesn't work. Let's try 3.5. I think that works. Okay. I'm gonna explode. Let's see here. It's not going to be that. multiply to 1. Let's try. Not that one. No. None of these. Cannot be x equals 3. Okay, hold on. This time I will be right back. Okay, told you. So here's how you can check. To see what intervals Okay, so here's how we can check. On what intervals is g decreasing? I think this is where we make our... Yeah, we can just check the slope. So we'll take the derivative. So first step, we need to find our extreme values, right? So we have an extreme value at 0. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. So then now we're gonna check. So we could say like f and then f prime. So we know when x is less than this, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Okay, so there's another critical value. Actually, so there's a critical value here. Oh, so this is a critical value. Well, how do we figure that out? Can you solve it from here? I'm gonna trust them. Okay, so what you do is you check a value here. So let's say 0.2. You have to check in on the derivative function, by the way, so not this one. So we do have a critical value. There and there. So let's take a look. Let's say at negative 0.2. Right? So we see that our value is negative, so it's decreasing on this interval. Now let's check above 0, it's increasing, and then below, it's increasing. So it's only increasing on this interval, or decreasing within this interval. That's basically what it's asking. Freaking tired, yo. Okay, so it also doesn't work here. So we'll say, I did not mean to press that button. So critical value would be 2, not negative 3. So then we need to check basically above and below. You can plug, let's plug in 0. It's going to be negative 2 over 9. It's a negative number. But let's plug in like 3, for example. Pretty sure it's this one, but let's double check. It'll be 1 over 36, so it's positive. And then we have to exclude negative 3. I think usually you would include it, but then you have to list like undefined. This for the placement test. Correct you are. Who are you? Let's figure out who you are. Boom! Ooh, goodness. Hold on. I recognize you. Hold on. Hold the phone. You. I found you. I found you. I know exactly who you are. Hi, what's up? Okay. Also, this is just for general review. I have a friend who wants help, or wants to restudy Calc AB2, and so I figured. Actually, it was after I started this, but you know, it's a nice additional purpose. So I'll just be doing this along with getting ready for that as well, so I can help them out. But also, I don't mind relearning this. This is pretty fun. Ice very nice. Phone being held. I believe it. Gonna go for multivar. Yes, I did take multivariable already, but it was an online course, and quite frankly, those are really dumb. Alright, so now we gotta check our values. What are you doing? You're gonna do, or did you already take it? Okay. Am I stupid? Wait, did I even do this correctly? Yeah. Yeah. Linear algebra. Interesting. Okay. Maybe I should. I don't know. I'll just see where I'm at, you know? Where are we getting to? I'm pretty sure. Because we're looking for critical values. So it would be plus or minus root 2, right? Not 2. Am I missing something here? Hold on. Whatever, we can check. Okay, let's say root 2 is greater than 1, so let's say negative 1. That's going to be negative 3 minus 6, so that's negative. Let's say 1, negative 3 plus 6, that's positive. Let's say 2. Negative, let's say, yeah, 2. Negative 12 plus, that's positive. I'm going to say negative. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. We're going to do this one more time, because clearly I messed up somewhere. I think factoring would help you more here. I'm working on it. Let me think. Let me go. What's the derivation? Is it quadratic? There are only 2 roots possible. Yes. Hold on. Let me just redo this real quick. I can't be struggling with derivation. This is Unit 5 on Khan Academy. And then it would be 0. So at least one of the critical values would be 0. If we factored negative 3, it would be x squared plus, no, negative 3x would be minus 2. I'm stupid. I forgot to take out the x. That's what the issue was. Negative 3x. Then it would just be x minus 2. 2. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. So now we can check. Let's say we plug in 1. It's going to be 3. Negative 3 plus 6, that's a positive. Let's say we plug in 3. That's going to be... this is hard. Negative 9. Negative 9. Shoot. Negative 27. Plus 18. So, yeah, that's less. Let's say negative 1. It's also going to be negative. Okay, so it's this one. Alright. We're just thinking a little slow. I cooked on the AP Calc exam, so I just need to recook again. Okay, we already have the derivative. You write this down, but it's undefined. Another critical point is the only other one is 2. So now we'll take a looky here. Plug in 1. It's negative 1 over 1, so it's negative. Let's plug in 3. It's positive. Plug in negative 1. It's positive. Okay. We're looking at increasing, right? So I'm pretty sure it's this. No. Let's think this. No! Oh my, I knew that one. It's literally what I just clicked. Alright, stupid. Okay. One more time. Alright, let's simplify this. Let's see here. Has to multiply to 2, but add up to 5. Well, actually, we'll figure that out. But it needs to multiply to 2. So I'm thinking it's either going to be this, like most likely, or the other way around, but let's see. I'm thinking I'm actually thinking this. 3, 5, not enough. Okay. I'm gonna take their word and say that there is a noise deafening screech in my ear right now. Okay, let's plug in 0. It's gonna be positive. Negative 1. Negative. Negative 3. I don't want to do that. That's positive as well. So we're just decreasing on this interval. There we go. Alright. See, we got it. No, I don't want to read. Took me to the exercise. There we go. Really tired. It's like for some unknown reason. Am I just stupid? I might have missed it. Hold on. I'm doing a double check. I'm officially perplexed because I don't know what's going on. Alright, we're just gonna continue. As a relative maximum. I'm pretty sure this one is a double derivative test. Or no, you can still do first derivative, I think. Let's see if my intuition pays off. According to a previous check, this is an extrema value. So let's see here. So yeah, -1. Positive. At 1. Positive. I'm going to assume this is negative. We can figure it out. It's negative. Proof right there. Okay. Soldier boy. So that means there's a relative maximum right there. Let's see. Okay, so our extreme points are going to be at those. And so we'll check at 0.5. We'll just figure out the value. Okay, so it's going to be positive times positive times a negative. So it's going to be negative. Check point. Let's check 2. Positive, positive, positive. Negative 0.5. Negative, positive, negative. Then here, let's say -2. Negative, negative, negative. Okay. It's going to be a relative minimum. Let's see, count. Let's count how many. 1, 2. Okie dokie. Hold on. I'm gonna move him. Okay. It was about that high. Yo, yo. This should be fine. Just out of the way, you know. Okay. Freaking power rule and chain ring, yo. Okay, so we have points at, well actually we need to solve this first because there's an addition. This is a difference of squares. It would be x squared minus 1. You can see right there. Okay, so this would now becomes, let's simplify these. It's going to be 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. I really don't want to figure this out. We're gonna go for this. Let's see. I think this is it, yeah. So then our factors are going to be, it's going to be 1, and it's going to be 3x squared minus 3x minus 2x, yeah. So I think this is it. It's going to be -1/3. We'll check 0. let's see. Negative, positive, negative. 2. Negative, positive, positive. Negative 1. Negative, negative, negative. So there's a relative minimum right there. I lied. I circled the wrong one. There's a relative minimum right there. Okay, so we have points at 0, 2, and 1. .5. Positive, positive, positive. I think this is all going to be positive, right? Because even if you get a negative number, they're all just going to square to be positive. So I'm going to say there's none. Friggin' knew it, yo. Alright, what is the absolute minimum value? So basically it's just this, but with extra steps. So the first step, we got to find our extreme points. Right, okay, so in this case it's just going to be 0. And then now we have our endpoints of our function. So we now will have an f and an f prime. So we'll put the value the values here. First thing to check. Okay, so at -1 this is going to be positive. At 1 it's also going to be positive. So now we'll check these values. It's probably going to be this value. We just need to figure out what it is. So now g, or pretend those are g. -2 equals 3 times -8 plus 8. Right? So then this becomes -24 plus 8, which is -16. So it's going to be -16. You can see it keeps increasing from here. So it has to be our minimum value. Hold on. I can't see nothing. This is annoying. IDK, what's going on? What am I? Okay. My computer's bugging out. I'm sorry. Okay. Absolute minimum value. Let's check -1. Positive, negative. Let's check 0.5. Negative, negative. Let's check 2. Negative, positive. Okay, looking for the absolute minimum. So it could be here, or it could be here. So we'll check those 2 points real quick. So I think it'd be -5. Okay. Let's try to do this in our head. Negative 108 plus 54 minus 5. Definitely a negative number, and definitely greater than negative 5. Okay, let's check here. Negative 2.5. Negative 2.5. Negative, negative. Negative 1.5. Positive, negative. 2. Positive, positive. Okay. The absolute minimum could be here. Could be here. Let's check those values. So let's see, this equals okay. I'd say this equals, let's see. This is 9 times 3, 9 times 4, so this equals 9 times 7, and then this is 9 times 6, so it's just going to be 9, saying it's not that, so it's probably what 1 is. That makes no sense. That makes a lot of sense, actually. Alright. Sometimes you just gotta use your brain. Okay. Nope, that's not how you multiply. Okay. We have it at nope. Negative 2, 3. 5, negative 3. Okie dokie. Okay, negative. 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 We can just do 0. Negative, 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 positive. 4. Negative, positive, positive. Okay, maximum value. Could be here, could be here. These are big freaking numbers. I think No, I'm just gonna keep doing it my way. Okay, 9 times 6, 9 times 3, minus 9 times 8. So this is just equal to 9. Not an answer, so it's probably gonna be 3. So these are all gonna be positive. So negative 54 plus, oh, that's actually times 3, so that's going to be more negative. It's actually going to be 108. Well, so it's actually going to be negative 36, so it's probably not that. 20, so. So again, this is going to be 6 times 3 and 11. So really, it's going to be 8. So 7. It's just asking the x value, so I didn't have to figure that out. Okay. I'm gonna go eat something real quick. Dinner. Okay, can you keep yourself centered? I need to look up how to do that. Who told you to do that? Why would you do that? Okay. Alright, dinner break over. Actually, we'll do a test. One of my friends might call me, and then I'm just gonna see, like, is there gonna be a really bad echo, or if there is there not. If there's not, then I'm not gonna bother. Freaking complex problems. What does entire domain mean? I have a guess, and I don't think I'm gonna like it. Nah. Okie dokie. Let's get back to stupid math. I don't want to find the extreme values. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to do it anyway, because I can't do anything about it. Obviously 0 is 1. This looks more complicated. Okay. Am I supposed to... I'm looking through my notes. Is there any point where I would actually have to do this? I low-key don't know. You know what? I'm taking a guess on what I think this actually is. Hold on. I have important business to attend to. Okay, well, a lot of people will say a lot of stuff. You gotta be careful about that. Yeah, 1977. What? I'm gonna get you the battle pass, Miles. But you can't gift with V-Bucks, Uncle Aaron. I have a credit card, Miles. Okay, I guess we'll check here. So, 1. It's gonna be positive. -4. Negative. Let's see. -1. Still negative. Minimum value must be here. I said this wrong. -1. I guess this one. Why? It's an educated guess. Apparently it's increasing. Oh, because I'm checking the wrong values. Oops. Okay, well, at least we kind of know what we're doing. Yeah, got it. I got it. I got it, bro. Okay, let's see here. Negative, positive, positive. Or we can do it here. Yeah, this is the right way to do it. Negative. Negative, negative, positive. 4. Negative, positive, positive. Negative 0.5. Positive. Negative, positive. Negative 2. Positive, negative, negative. Yeah. So this looks like closer to this number. Let's figure it out. It's this number. Yeah. A little bit of intuition, but you know what? Insight is a powerful tool. Not the same thing. I know that's psych. That's so cool. Oh my god, dude, this is an MMA fight. This is a classic. You can't turn this into 0. You can turn this into 0 though. 0. Positive. Positive. -1. Positive. Negative. Minimum value has to be here. So let's plug that in. Picket fence, I think that's what it was called. Okay, -0.5. Negative. Positive. Negative. 0.5. Positive. Positive. Negative. 2. Positive. 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 -2. Negative. 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 Wait. -2. Negative. 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 Okay, the maximum value. This means it increases on infinity. So that means there's no maximum value. Because, see? It's gonna go on forever. I'm gonna have to split this one up. Or, let me take a break. You're stupid and live and stupid. Way. Hi. I have to lower my music volume because you're too quiet. There. I'm streaming, by the way.
Okay.
So just
Can make hear me?
be weary. What I mean, yeah, just like be weary.
Okay, I'll be PR trained then.
Thank you. I appreciado. That means I appreciate.
Thank you. I won't be too crazy or anything. I oftentimes get complimented on how PR trained I am, so
Really?
yeah,
I don't believe you.
well, believe it.
Me mama. That was a test. It appears you passed. Negative. 1. Negative. Hold on, -1. Yeah, negative. And if it's 1, it's still negative. If it's 4, it's going to be negative positive. Okay, so that means the maximum value must be right here. So plug in 3, it's going to be 27 over e to the third. Oh, as freaking go. You should tune in to see what I'm doing. Give me one view. Or save your bandwidth and I can just screen share. I have a feeling I just hung out with you. Did I?
I don't know.
Like very
Oh, yeah,
recently.
We went out to the gym.
You're right. I forgot. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. I also forgot.
Wow. Mr. Forgetter. Even though I also forgot. This is called being a hypocrite.
Chatters in here, Ethan.
There are no chatters. This guy, I've had no chat for like an hour.
Oh yeah, but bro, Braxton was in the chat. Oh my gosh, how did I miss him?
You miss Braxton. It's... I can't believe you. Negative,
Bro,
positive.
I'm crying. Braxton is my life.
There is no maximum value. Okay, there is a... Oh, it's a closed interval. That's why. Okay, so the maximum value could be here. Or it could be here.
Give me watch time. I'll
Okay.
have you running in the background.
It'll be what?
I'll have you running in the background to give you watch time.
Thank you, ma'am. Man.
I'm gonna have you muted though, because I can already hear you.
You don't want to double... You don't want to hear me twice? How could you?
I know.
Okay, let's see. This is going to be 46. Not even close to the right answer. Okay, it's 130. It's going to be... No, it is 46. Yeah. Okay, it's not that. So it must be 2... What's 36 times 6?
1819. No.
You're too slow. 216.
Dang it. I don't know.
That wasn't a quiz, by the way. I was also solving it while I asked you.
Okay.
Okay. I hate regular arithmetic.
Correct. I also hate you.
Excuse me? You wanna repeat that?
Wait, what did I say?
You said you hate me.
What? I would not say that.
You literally... I hate to tell you, but you just did.
No. You hate me?
No, you said you hate me.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I got it wrong. How the freak is it 52? I'm moving
You
on.
don't study.
Come again, Rock, please.
This is what happens when you don't study.
I'm going
This
to.
is what happens when you don't study.
I'm gonna blow you up, Brock. You don't even know your placement.
Okay, do you know yours?
Well, as soon as I do my quiz, I will. But you did your quiz and you don't even know.
Well, I know how I did.
No, you
I
don't.
just didn't get like a placement.
No, you don't.
No, it's okay. I think I got an 81% on the first two, and then I got a 100% on the third one.
No, you did not.
I think so, bro.
I don't think so.
Okay. Whatever. I got too many ops.
I am
They're
your
all
op.
named Ethan Hawke.
Okay, I've been at this for 3 hours and I haven't even made it halfway. It's also because I took a huge break. I accidentally fell asleep.
I mean, it's okay.
Don't tell anybody though, okay?
Okay. Nice. Ethan took a nap.
What was that?
I was just talking to the chick for a little bit. To Braxton.
Okay.
There was a message
Whatever
to
you
Braxton,
say, man.
Braxton only.
By the way, you're never allowed to talk to Braxton again.
What? Did he get sent to like the Navy?
No, I
Or,
blew
like,
him
the
up.
Oh. Tough luck, I guess.
No! Stop it! Stop it!
Yeah, I need to clear my storage really quickly. I have like a red bar.
What does
like
that mean?
50,000 error messages. And also because like, you know how my computer's been like just randomly restarting?
It is?
Oh, well, yeah, it is. I think it's because I have no more free storage. Like, genuinely, like...
You don't? Okay, well, don't... You...
Okay, Ethan, stop. We listen to me, don't judge, okay?
We don't do... I'm judging so hard right now.
Okay, Ethan? Stop.
I'm judging so hard right now. I'm judging hard right now. I'm hard right... I'm judging so hard right now. No! I have to take 2 more! No! Okay, hold on. I'm not doing this. Hold on. Brock when he lies about giving me watch time.
No, I still have you on.
But it says no one's watching, so actually, no.
Wait, does it say so now?
Nope. I think you're a liar.
I'm lit on the tab right now.
I think you're a liar. You know, if you wanted to lie to me, all you had to do was just lie. You didn't have to lie.
Brother. My brother. My brother.
I'm gonna tickle.
Okay.
Okay, buddy. Okay.
Yeah, nice, pal.
Why I oughta.
Why?
That's what you sound like right now.
Yeah, bro, I get that a lot.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
Yeah, bro, I get that a
Yeah,
lot.
you
That's
get
kind
it
of what
a lot.
everyone wants.
I get that a
Yeah,
lot.
pretty much.
I get that a lot. I get that a lot. I get that a lot. Should I say it one more time? I get that a lot.
Should you what?
I get that a lot.
Say that again.
I get that a lot.
What do we win that by me again, bro?
I get that a lot. Oh, now I have 2 viewers. Thank you for being 2 viewers.
Bro, I literally one of those is me.
What did I just say? I said thank you for being 2 viewers.
For being or for?
For being
What?
2 viewers. No, I'm thanking other people for having 2 viewers and not... I'm blowing you up.
Bro, I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, you're welcome.
No. As a matter of fact, you're fired.
Okay.
hunger.
Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur.
I had the whole club looking at me. Get it?
No, not you.
No, not you, Seamus.
No, not how the song goes.
What if
Documents,
apple bottom?
24.7 terabytes? Bro, I literally have 256 gigabytes of like total storage on this computer. Why does it say 24.7 TB?
What is Valorant?
No, it's just like just the documents tab. Cause like I went to like installed apps to like clear storage, and now I'm going to documents.
Your
And it
Mac
says
or your
24
desktop?
My desktop.
Wait, how can you just see the specific? Brock, don't look in there. Okay, I'm gonna send you an application. All right, it's gonna be a really helpful application. All right. Here.
Okay, thank you.
Freak. What is it called? Hold on. It's on my desktop.
Desktop.
That's not what I said. Okay, download WizTree. Here, I'll send you a link. And then download the free version because since you're not a commercial entity, it doesn't matter. All right.
Okay.
Why'd you send me a lollipop? Broke it off of Minecraft. I'm not on Minecraft.
Wait, bro.
Hey, bro.
Okay, individual. It's $25. It says $0, but you have to donate or something.
No, it's free. It's free.
Or like-
You can download. It's free. It's free.
What if I want the $750 one though?
No, well, but you don't.
Yeah, but like I really want it.
Yeah, but you don't.
Yeah, but like it's like it's good
Okay,
value because it has priority.
But
support.
you're not listening to me. You don't need it. Okay.
Yeah, but you have no.
You
donations.
don't need that. You don't need that.
It is a fantastic deal.
Yeah, but you don't need it. Yeah.
I think I literally do need it. Also,
You
this
don't
UI,
need that.
this UI is like.
You don't need that.
This UI is
Okay.
mid.
Okay. Look, listen to me, man. You don't need it. You do not need it. Understand? You don't need it. You don't
Okay,
need it.
I understand.
You
Wait, can I
don't
delete
need-
stuff from them?
No, but you can find what you need to delete. How am I so bad at this?
It's all in app data. Local. CapCut?
Why in the world are you using CapCut?
Why do I have CapCut in the first place? I literally have never used CapCut on my desktop, I thought.
I think. Oh, that's right. I installed the virus. I'm sorry. I forgot about that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, but on the thing, it literally said it's like no storage at all, bro. What? Bah, humbug. Oh yeah, now that I have Final Cut, you know.
Yeah, but like,
It's a good thing I
not that
don't
it's any
have
better, but you know.
Yeah, well, because, you know, like DaVinci just sucks, so it's a good thing I don't have that.
You
Well,
do
actually, I
suck.
just did delete it. Actually, I haven't deleted it yet. That's a lie. I still have DaVinci. Believe me, I'm getting rid of that. Roblox? Is Roblox that much storage?
Life.
Bro,
Wait, so do you
I
know
don't
how to
really
use
play
WizTree? Are you using it?
Yeah, I'm just looking at like.
Isn't it
big
cool?
stuff.
Like how it shows you all this stuff, and it looks shiny.
I actually do. I really like it.
You like me? Okay, well let's not get too hasty, alright?
No, so that's not what I said, but I mean, you know.
Let's not get hasty.
Bro, how do I have 2 million files? It just scanned.
Waiter, 2 million files. Do you get the joke? The joke is that I've asked my waiter, aka my butler, or anyone who's feeding me, for $2 million. And because I ordered it, I would be given it. Does that make sense?
That's cry.
Squad delusional.
Bro, Paradox Interactive. Should I delete Hoi 4? Probably.
You're not gonna play Hoi 4 ever again?
I don't have the space, bro.
I don't have the space, bro. This is a loser mentality.
Yeah, I suppose, but
I suppose. Yeah. Achoo!
please stop yawning.
I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not.
Achoo.
Wait, Fortnite. I could uninstall Fortnite, I guess.
I don't think we're gonna play it anytime soon, though. So if you want to install, that's fine.
Wait, what did you say?
I said I don't think we're gonna play it anytime soon, but it's also because I don't think you play with anyone else except me. No offense.
That's correct. Yes. Roblox. Yes.
Yes. Burn. Burn.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm tickling you.
Oh, I'm tired.
Hi, tired. I'm dead. Wee. Get it?
It's not funny, bro.
What's not funny?
Your face.
You're fired. I'm rescinding your full scholarship. You have to pay out of pocket.
Shuffle bucks.
What is his name? Howie? Why are you saying that? Bro thinks he's a villager who leveled up.
Yeah.
Why would you say that? Okay, 0, negative, positive, negative. 4, negative, positive, positive. Negative 5, negative, negative, negative. Concave up. I'm gonna tickle you, Brock. Yeah, he says approvingly, as if wanted to be tickled all the time. Is this true?
Yeah.
I don't think this guy knows what he's talking about, by the way, guys. What are you deleting now, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm deleting my Roblox, like, cache, I guess.
No, Roblox. You can't.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. I don't feel too passionately about, holding on to this.
Are you sure? It's very valuable.
I don't know about that.
My papers.
Yeah.
Why would you say that? Don't, never speak again.
Okay.
You're fired from speaking. What if I tickled, bro?
Yeah, no.
No. No. Oh, you know what I got recently? I got Five Nights at Freddy's 1 through 4 on the 3DS. You should come over and try it out someday.
Ooh, that would be delectable.
It'd probably be
fun, actually.
it would be less scary, right? Maybe.
Yeah. Well, okay. I think that's like what we always say, but then like it's always still kind of scary. But
we can grow up, I'm sure.
at some point, yes.
At some point. Are you implying that I'm not already a big boy right now?
Are you implying? R.
0. Positive. Positive, negative. 3. Positive, positive, positive. Negative 5. Positive. Negative. Negative. Okay, it's concave down between 4 and 2. R. Gla gla gla. Why'd you text me that? Gla gla gla.
I have no clue. I do not even know what that means.
Well, you texted it to me. I think you're a lawyer. You're a lawyer.
R.
R.
I want to watch that video.
I don't want to look at you. We should go back to the main event. That would be fun.
Ooh, I agree.
Or, I don't know. We could go anywhere.
Yeah, I agree. We should just do something though. We can make plans.
I'm blowing you up. This is a stupid number. Don't worry, Brock. I'm not calling you stupid. Don't worry. Someone just rung my phone. Yo, being a paramedic sounds cool and all till you look at the pay. These are words of wisdom right here.
Being a paramedic? Do they not pay well? Let's see, paramedic. So, paramedics on an average of like 60,000. In our area, paramedics earn like 60,000.
Tis not that much, unfortunately. Not enough for what they should be getting. Tis going to be positive, no negative. Wait, hold on. I think this value just doesn't exist. It would be the cubed root, or yeah, it would be to the 7th, so it's still negative. The cube root of a negative number just doesn't exist. So this is a gray area. Let's say negative 10. Okay, fart nuggets. Hold on. What if I just blew you up? Okay, so it's concave up on all intervals. Never mind. Okay, there's a chance I derived this wrong. It's concave up. Negative infinity to 6. Delicious. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I'm almost done, Brock. Almost halfway.
Hooray.
Brocky Walkie.
What do you want?
Have you cleared out your storage?
By cleared out, I have now 12 gigabytes free.
That's a start.
Yeah, it'll do. I hardly use this computer anymore that much, so.
That's not you. No, bro. You gotta clear it up a little bit more. Maybe 20 gigabytes.
Like, can't find anything else. Like, everything else is like.
You need everything on that computer?
No, but that's the thing. Like, I just, like, there's not that much to delete, it feels like, I guess.
What I'm hearing.
Because I don't want to just, like, blanket clear every document, but I could never go through every single document. Because, like, half of it, or probably, like, 90% is, like, just old school assignments that I don't need. Like, there's occasionally important stuff.
I believe
I
it.
don't know. Okay, I don't appreciate your
I
insincerity.
was literally agreeing with you.
No. No. You can drop the attitude.
What attitude, Brock?
Drop the sass.
What sass, Brock?
Drop the side angle side theorem, bro.
What side and side angle theorem, Brock?
You can drop the. You can drop. You can. You can.
Yeah, think about it. Thinker.
Yeah, I'll think. I'll keep thinking, man.
1, negative, 6, negative, positive, -1, negative, negative. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't need to do that. What?
Whoa. What if I let you change the EQ? That's sick. Need to clean up the cache.
How?
Je m'appelle.
No, it is not. I might have to stop halfway and finish tomorrow. I'm really sleepy.
R.I.P. And by R.I.P. I mean.
What did you just say to me?
I don't know.
Don't you know I own this city? I built this city.
Wonderful city.
Me when I blow up the block. I mean, me when I blow up the Brock. Negative. Zero. Positive, negative. 2. Positive. -4. Positive, negative. Me when I blow up Brock.
What?
I'm blowing you up, Brock. You're officially blown up. You're official.
Alright, bro. Are you an official?
I'm a fish.
I am a fish.
Meows. Oh, he's so serious. 0, negative, negative. 6, positive, positive. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Take the quiz. Or actually, I'm just gonna do one more, and then it stream's over, guys. I'm sorry, I can't finish this all. I got way too eepy. Since it's concave up, I'm going to say that this is a minimum point. Who texted me? Yeah, it's Josh. Josh baked a cake.
Wow. Yes is awesome.
I'm tickling you.
Oh, hold on.
He doesn't want to be tickled. No, it's freaking not.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Not fooling me again. -4. +4, -3. There we go. 0, positive, negative, positive, 1, positive, 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 negative 3, positive, negative, negative. Come on. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I was looking at comparing the wrong things. Missing parts of that justification. Say if this was x, or this was what, h prime. That means the function is increasing, and it starts to decrease here. Okay. So starts to increase here again. And starts to decrease. I think it's 2 and 3. This is too much thinking. I don't want to do this right now. How? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I have decided we're gonna do this tomorrow. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Really sleepy. I'm gonna hit the hay. Bye bye.